Want to generate automatic captions like these, complete with emojis, totally for free? This is our voiceover audio. First, we need to convert it into a video with a blue background. To do this, open any video editor you like and select the exact size you want for your final video. I want to make a YouTube short, so I'm selecting the short's resolution. Make sure to use this exact blue color. I'll show you why later. Add the voiceover to the timeline, then export the video. Now open submagic.co. We can create as many accounts as we want using a temporary email. Simply go to a temporary email website and copy the email address. Then create an account. Skip the onboarding and you'll see 3 options. Click the first one to generate automatic captions. Upload the blue screen video here. Leave everything as it is and click Generate Captions. It will take about 15 seconds. Next, click the Edit button, then go to Caption Style. To change the caption position, simply adjust the position value. Once everything looks good, you can export it. However, in the recent update, you can't export videos without paying. Instead, make the video full screen, play it, and screen record it. Now open your video editor and place the recorded caption video on the top layer. Crop the upper portion to remove the watermark. If you choose a green screen instead of a blue screen, you'll run into a problem because the captions use green in their styling. That's why we're using a blue background. Now, remove the blue background, add a drop shadow, and export the video. Now watch the result.
Argentina was forced to lose, and social media accounts are claiming to have valid proof. When they arrived at the stadium, everyone looked happy and excited to win the trophy. But in the locker room, everyone seemed to be breaking down from the inside. Enzo Fernandez, who was roaring 3 days ago, seemed completely devastated. Messi usually cheered everyone up and got the team roaring before a match. However, before the final, Messi told everyone, let's forget about everything that happened and just focus on playing. This makes it seem obvious that something went wrong behind the scenes. Before entering the pitch, everyone seemed very tense and stressed. Their body language in 2022 versus 2026 was completely different. Look at Messi while practicing versus right before entering the field for the final match. It looks like he had already given up. While warming up before the match began, a Spanish supporter recorded Messi and said he had never seen Messi like this.
What's happening with Messi? I've never seen him like this. That was like 5 shots in a row he missed.
Later, Messi received a pass, and anyone who has watched his previous matches couldn't believe he lost the ball when it was right at his feet with no defenders nearby. It looks as if he missed it intentionally. From another angle, it even seems like he deliberately jumped aside to lose control of the ball. Surprisingly, this is not the first time. Long ago, Maradona claimed that Infantino was involved in match fixing.
Que Infantino no sabía, porque si dicen es un mentiroso.
He also stated that referees demanded they lose the match.
Al árbitro de la final le hicieron un planteo de que Alemania tenía que ser campeón.
In that same 1990 match, Argentine Football Association President Julio Grondona reportedly told Maradona to lose.
Del 90 viene Grondona y me dijo, hasta acá llegamos. Que estábamos entregados. Hemos hablado muchas veces, de todos los partidos arreglados que quería el mandamás Grondona.
Look at Argentina's attempts at goal. Do you think this is normal for the second highest scoring team in World Cup history? What's your take?